In this overview, we're going to cover the Practice Summary Report. This is located in the Billing portal in the lower left-hand corner. Immediately when we open the Billing portal, this will take us to the Revenue Cycle Summary page. The Practice Summary Report is located in the left-hand navigation pane under the Reporting header. I'm going to left-click directly on this to go ahead and open the Practice Summary Report. The first thing we'll be presented with is this report search options. The Practice Summary Report is used to reconcile on a daily basis or a monthly basis, whatever date range we define, the payment posting for those dates or dates of service. We can break out this report based off of service date, service post date, deposit date, or deposit post date. By default, we're going to be running this based off of deposit post date. We can set additional filters if we would like to filter down this report. However, in most cases, we'll probably go ahead and leave this wide open and give ourselves the option to drill down into each of these sections. We can navigate these different sections here by clicking directly on them, or we can do this by scrolling left or right in the lower scroll bar. I'm going to run this report based off of January 1st, 2019 up until today. To run this report, I'm going to click directly on the search button down below. This is now going to break out the practice summary in a couple of different areas. The first thing we're going to see is the charges, payments, and adjustments. This is the same number in each of these tiles, but just giving us a different breakout in each of these. So we can see it by financial class, service location, user, payer, rendering provider. Any of those, we can see those directly from here. If I would like to see details of any of these, I can actually go ahead and click directly in the upper right-hand corner to get this detailed view. By opening the detailed view, I can see the charges, payments, refunds, and adjustments for this specific detail. I can choose to export it, print it, or close it. If I scroll to the very bottom, I can see the very high-level total of all of these, as well as see it by rendering provider and by user. I'm going to close out of here. Additionally, we'll notice in the very bottom right-hand side the Productivity Reports option. This allows us to see claim productivity and payment listings by payment posters. This allows us at any point in time to see payment poster productivity on a date range basis. So this could be on a daily, a weekly, or a monthly report. I can click directly on each and every one of these, and this will be essentially a quick canned report that we can run at any time. If we would ever like to change the reporting criteria for this and filter down or change however we would like to see this summary report, we can change this by clicking directly on the dates that we set above, and that'll reopen the report search options window where we can then change the criteria that we would like to see, and then we can rerun this report with the search button. This concludes our high-level overview of the Practice Summary Report.